You want to see what took care of my cracked, dry heels in the middle of a very dry, high desert winter? You're looking at it. This is Tree Oil Foot Balm by the Foot Cure. I've been using this for a couple months. Look how much is left. You do not need a lot. I think that the ingredients in this are so concentrated and just goodness that a little bit goes a long way. Here's what it looks like. See how smoothly it just melts. It looks a little bit chunky in here, but it's actually not chunky at all. Also smells like a dream. It's got eucalyptus, tea tree oil, aka melaleuca. So if you also suffer from feet that don't smell entirely pleasant after being stuck inside sweaty shoes all winter long, this is your friend. Take it with you, keep it by your bedside. Foot Cure's Tea Tree Oil Foot Balm. Little bit goes a long way. I hope you found this helpful.